Okay, time check. Wow, 22:26. What's the date today?
29.
29th October 2021. This is the first time I'm making a video this late. Welcome to my channel. I'm Black, I'm Bemba, and I'm proud. This video just had to happen despite it being late because I hijacked someone and made them part of my video. I promised I'll be featuring different people, and today I have a different face, though not so different from my face. If you observe, this is my elder brother. He will introduce himself, and we are going to share a few proverbs because we are blood. He should know Bemba like me. We were cut from the same cloth. So say hi and introduce yourself. At a phone, so we'll keep shifting until you get me a better phone or camera. I'll keep doing this.
Hi people, I'm so excited to be here on this program. I'm Sondam Pangantali Jr.
Okay, there you have it. He's my dad's son and the only male Panganta we have right now. So we are going to get into it. I'll say part of the proverb, he'll finish, then we'll translate together as we continue to preserve Zambian culture. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so, and give me feedback. I don't know why you're quiet. I want to hear, is it working? I am up in the mleo for mlesa. Okay, I take them down. I don't want to say the same proverb twice, so I write them somewhere. Not that I can't say. You can ask me a random one and I'll still be able to say because I grew up a Bemba, I'll die a Bemba. I know Bemba like that. Number one, Vulapo Tekupa.
Vulapo Tekupa.
Tekupa.
Okay, so nga wasanga omuno byali erya ero nomba isakweba atya so buulepo mune ekibemba kirekana okutira ati buulapo tekupa. Ufuyire wa mupeera we mwine bakweba ati bantu bamwe balanda ati buulapo apa kulaba wa mfu ensoni wabuulapo otunono eyo lyabuulapo otunono omunanku awakirala ndati buulapo eyo nomba alolesha futi awo mfu ensoni omwine ebere buula otunono sani lyakweba ati buulapo na futi alanga olefu okumupeera sheye irondolweke mupefyo we mwine.
There you have it. Vulapo Tekupa. So you've heard. If I come, I ask for something and you ask me to get by myself, I'll take it. You don't want to give me actually. You actually don't mean to give me. That's why you would rather I get too little than get enough because you didn't want to give me in the first place. Number two, abapushi tabate mwana. First, before you interpret, simplify abapushi. People should learn what we are talking about. Abapushi ni banani?
Mustashaka lilitwale kula kwa aliati. Ese kanshira mwino.
Ishtamwale kula ki.
Muste shisha kunu meshtwale kula kwa levo kweba ati ngawa yali yapavene. Banobe bakumona ati urya naye mukulya pavene bayakuzala nokuzala taula afika kunganderi yashinali fika napulo oyu kwavene nalya nishuyo umuntu achiyalya kwavene bapushi.
Where are you going? There's no one in the bedroom. Come and sleep here. We'll go together. Okay.
So bali abate mukulya mayanda yabene mukulya mukulya ushani bupushi bambi bafe pafirirwepo bamukupula atabomvu afi okulichiriro nishi naba yakoku ati bali abali kwa kabwali bapushi mukwaye.
Okay, so abapushi tabate mwana. Now you can explain in full what it means.
abapushita bate mwana ushe twalabitera example ya shani nga twati tupere ikirangiriro maybe twararanda ati kurabaho bachindika nga nino nshitatu yini big buyer arashita sana oyu ushitobwa oyu so kuraba ati uyu muntu umo baramutemwa sana abanankwe kairiyo kwali konse kuti ashita aratupusha twarapura kobwarwa kuri uyu muntu baramukonka nomba kurabo kusanga ati uri omuntu abaremu konka sana ati abashitire kobwarwa nga bafura abene nomba bambo kulayirolesha pali bene abare konka uri big buyer no kuraranda ati uyu alenga nomba ati ba big buyer barekeho kulatushitira sana obwarwa urefushe namba mukasanga ati bambo kulayisetinga nomba no kulaye babaya amastori ati uri abaso pako ati baya afumyeko bamoba mu bashare barepula beka so barambo kupatana.
Okay, the last one Nabwila and I still want to keep the videos short, so the last one ishuko lya munobe tabenderamu mwai wa mzako sugonera panja in what's that in my tribal cousins language, something like that.
Okay, ishuko lack L-U-C-K. There's a difference between L-A-C-K and L-U-C-K.
Thank you for that clarification. We are talking about luck. A luck, if you are lucky. So that luck.
Titwarande if you are for example ati umuntu washuka ni uri wakweva ati ifintu ifibi tafi muchitikira nangu achiba mukuva muri accident maybe tupere ko example ati achiba no kuingira muri motoka imo kwaisa abafiye chimfurunganye pa yapene yamusha motoka iyo motoka iriya maybe yaya kwato obusanswe ko yaya uri omuntu turanda ati alishuka bantu tachingira mu muri mwachiringo okuba so kuraba abantu abashuka nomba ngatwati tuyibweshe nombo kutureranda ati ishuko lya munobe tabenderamu umunobe nga wamona ati achipitoku baya sanga kweshuko bamupera ko maybe inshi indarama ifirifyonse nayo tetuwe ati nainenga na pitapa ya pene na inara nsange pofimofine ifyo wachisangawe chira muntu ali kwa tentanti ko shakwe uyu arendero muno yarendero mu one day tukakumana pamulo murendera fyo mashuko yenu.
Thank you very much for gracing this show. So namufwa ishuko lya munobe tabenderamo. In fact, it's teaching us maybe not to compete with others. Let's just wait that our turn will come. If you start chasing another person's path, you'll get lost. You won't find what they found in their walk because it's not meant for you. Each one to their own, each one with their own appointed time. Until next time when I capture another person and bring them, because now it's becoming a by fire by force kind of situation. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you. Good night.
Good night.